define the interface with the common behaviors of all vehicles. So first magputang tag interface vehicle, then void start engine para mag-declare ang method ng start engine that takes no arguments and return nothing, void. Tapos sunod void stop engine para i-declare niya ang method step engine, then takes no argument and return nothing, void. Tapos void accelerate declares a method accelerate that takes no arguments and return nothing, void. Void break declares a method break that makes no arguments and return nothing, void. So sa abstract class that partially implements the vehicle interface, abstract class, abstract vehicles, implement vehicle, private boolean, engine running, false, declares a private boolean variable, engine running and initialize to false. Dinagamit ang override no para ma-indicate niya ang method na i-override the method from the parent interface. So public void start engine, it defines niya the implementation of the start engine method if engine running, and check if the engine is not running. Then engine running equals true, sets the engine running flag to true. Then system.out_print engine started. So kung print as message to the console, if else the engine is already running, then system.out.print line engine is already running, prints a message to the console. So kung ang engine daw is true, i-print niya doon sa console na engine is running, then gamit ang override para indicate niya ang method sa overrides o method from the parent interface. So dili na po sa public void stop engine, no? It defines niya ang implementation of the stop engine of the method. So if engine running, then i-check niya if the engine is running, then engine running equal false, so i-set niya sa engine running flag to false. Then pagka i-print niya sa console na ang engine is wala na nag-andar. This abstract class can choose to not implement this and leave them for concrete classes to implement. So gamit na butag override diri, so nag-indicate na butag method override a method from the parent interface. Pagka man gamit ang public abstract void accelerate, so i-declare niya ang abstract method accelerate which must be implemented by concrete subclasses. Then override indicates that this method overrides a method from the parent interface. Then public abstract method break, i-declare niya ang abstract method break which must be implemented by concrete subclasses. Then concrete class for car, class car extend, so extended na niya sa car. So abstract vehicle, private int speed, nag-declare siya private integer variable speed and initialize it to 0. Then override indicates that this method overrides a method from the parent class. Public void accelerate, so nag-define siya og implementation of the accelerate method for cars. So speed plus equal 10, increase the speed by 10. So i-print niya na car accelerate current speed, na print na message sa console with the current speed ni ang print na ang current speed sa car. Then override, ang indicate na butag this method overrides a method from a parent class, no, which is a public void break. Nang define sa implementation of the break method for cars. So if speed is greater than 0, check if the car is moving. So speed is minus equal 10, decrease niyang speed by 10. So i-print din yun, no, system.out.print line car show down current speed plus key m h nya print message to the console with the current speed. Else if the car is already stopped, i-print niya sa console na print a message to the print din na sa console nag-stop ng car. So concrete class for motorcycle, diri sa class motorcycle extend abstract vehicle. So private int speed 0 declares a private integer variable spent and initializing it to 0. Then override indicates that this method Nag-override ba siya from the parent class? So public void accelerate defines the implementation of the accelerate method for motorcycle. So ang speed plus 15, na-increase daw niya ang speed sa 15. So pagka man i-print niya na ang motorcycle accelerate current speed diri sa console. Then override indicates that this method overrides a method from the parent class, public void brake. So nag-define ng implementation for the brake method for the motorcycle. So if speed is greater than 0, i-check sa motorcycle na kung nagdagan ba siya. Speed is minus equal 15 if nag-decreases ba ang speed by 15. So i-print niya diri na ang motorcycle down current speed niya sa console with the current speed. Then paggamit ang else if the motorcycle is already stopped. Pagka mo i-print niya diri motorcycle is already stopped, print niya ang message to the console. So dito sa vehicle management system demo, no, naggamit ang public class vehicle management system para ma-create ng new car object and assign it to a variable of type vehicle. So first mag-tag vehicle motorcycle, then new motorcycle para create new motorcycle object and assign it to variable of type vehicles, no. Tapos managing the car system daw the print line managing the car. Ang car daw start engine, i-calls niya ang sakyanan daw kay mag start engine method of the car object. So car that accelerate calls the accelerate method of the car object. Car that brake calls niya ang brake method to the car object. Tapos car that stop engine, i-calls niya ng stop engine method on the car object. So diri manage na po nato ang motorcycle dino sa system dot the front line managing the motorcycle. So motorcycle dot start engine, it calls niya ang start engine sa method on the motorcycle object. Then motorcycle accelerate calls niya ang accelerate method on the motorcycle object. Then motorcycle brake calls out the method on the motorcycle object. Then motorcycle stop engine, i-call niya ang stop engine method on the motorcycle object. Kato lang siya.